egg pie. Sabi mo ma'am, best egg pie ever.
Yeah.
We do not claim the best egg pie in the Philippines or in the world, pero it's gonna be the best egg pie ever.
Are the original maker of Yema runes, and now isa sa mga newest product nila is yung kanila pong egg pie. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, experience extraordinary. Ayan, the best egg pie ever. Sabi mo naman sa atin mo, the best egg pie ever. He has made everything beautiful in his time. So sabi nga natin, nag-start lang siya from a home, and now nandito na po siya sa SM Pampanga. Palakpakan po natin. And today we are going to witness the blessing and the ribbon cutting of our newest kiosk here of Marielle's in SM Pampanga.
Realize ko mga kabilis may grow in Marielle's because we opened our first branch in New Point Mall last April. And 3 months after that, we opened our second branch in SM Clark. Now after 2 months only, we're opening our third branch here at SM Pampanga. I'm so amazed how God bless us with this business. This business is a blessing to me and to my family as well. So thank you, Lord. Thank you for the blessing. Thank you for the strength and for the guidance. And also, thank you din kang mama ko and kang husband ko, Moy. They are my two pillars. They are my support. Kung alalo, alike siguro wag nyo din in business ay ni. So, and to our inspiration, ding anak ni, Sander, Titi, and Gab. Ayun lang, let's spread happiness and pwede na kayo kung sali kay Bad.
Bakes and Cakes. I'd like to invite everyone to come at our newest branch here at SM City Pampanga. We have different kinds of desserts. We have brownies, our original product Yema runes, and our bestseller premium egg pie. We are located here at the ground floor in front of Toy Kingdom at SM City Pampanga. See you!